Hello everyone, this is Matt from Powell, and today we're going to be talking about Powell's exclusive ORP electrodes. Powell created these electrodes back in 1964 to pioneer the continuous use of bleach production instead of batch methods. These are constructed with a 100% Kynar body. Negative electrodes have a silver tip. Positive electrodes have a platinum tip. The process seal is created with a Viton O-ring. And unlike many other electrodes, Powell electrodes are direct immersion, so they are in contact with the solution. Unlike other commercially available ORP electrodes, there's no buffer solution that gets poisoned. There's no calibration required. And each pair of electrodes creates a millivoltage output that does not need power. There's no external power required for these. We do recommend the use of some type of ORP transmitter for your control system. Powell's recommendation is to install two sets of electrodes, one for controlling the endpoint of your process and another for controlling the safety of your process. In case of overchlorination, you would have a redundant backup for shutdown. Installation in the piping system can be accommodated either with Powell threaded electrode holders that can be installed in PVC or CPVC piping, or we have Kynar rings that are designed to be installed between two flanges, whether 150-pound flanges or DIN flanges. The electrodes will thread in there and contact the solution in that way. The negative electrode should stay in service for approximately 6 to 9 months, depending on the process conditions. At that point, it is rebuildable. The silver slug is sacrificial and will wear out. These can be sent back to Powell to be rebuilt for a nominal fee. You can also rebuild them yourselves with parts available from Powell. Our electrodes are specially cleaned and then shipped in protective containers to prevent contamination. To stay up to date with other Powell videos, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can keep updated on LinkedIn and Facebook as well. And be sure to drop by our newly redesigned website, powellsolutions.com.